welcome to my channel. So those who are celebrating Eid this year, so happy Eid to everyone. And also I have created a very soft and subtle makeup look. So this is a look that you can easily carry in daytime and also in the night time. And I know most of us are staying in home, so we have nowhere to go, so we are celebrating in home only. So what you need to do, just need to wear a good dress, and with that you need to carry a soft and subtle makeup, and that's what I have done today. So without any further talk, let's start with the makeup.
So here first I'm going to use a Johnson baby lotion. So it's a very good lotion. It will help your skin hydrated for long hours and your skin will also become very soft. So it is good for all skin types. If you are looking for a good lotion, you can have this one. And now I'm going to use a Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. So it's a very good primer, and especially use this primer in your T-zone where you have open pores, because it will blur that area, and it will help your foundation to glide very easily and your makeup will look flawless and beautiful. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So here I'm using these foundations all over in my face. And now I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend my foundation. This foundation is very good, it is easily blendable, and at the same time it pretty gives high coverage. So that's why I have choose this foundation, because it's good for occasion purpose. Here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. So if you're in my skin tone, then definitely you can use this shade. And I'm using this concealer in my inner corner and outer corner of my eyes, and then I'm blending with the damp beauty sponge. Some of the old songs. And here I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. So I'm using this powder above my eyes and under my eyes, so that whenever I'll do my eyeshadow, it will look creaseless. And here I'm using a Miss Clay eyebrow palette, and here I'm going to take this grey shade and using it in my starting area of my eyebrows, and then I'm blending it towards my outer corner of my eyebrows. And here I have taken the black shade and using it in my outer corner of my eyebrows. And now I'm going to brush my eyebrows. And here I'm using Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Pink Paradise. So here I have taken the pink color and using it in my upper crease area and blending from outer corner towards the inner corner of my eyes. And here I have taken the peach shade and going to use it in the same upper crease area, in the same area, to neutralize that pink color, because it's a day look, so I want it to look more natural and more beautiful. So here I am taking this peach shimmer shade and going to use it in my center eyelid, and then I am blending it towards the inner eyelid. And now I'm going to take this pink color and going to use it in my lower lash line area. So whenever you are doing your eyeshadow, whatever color you have used in your upper eye crease, so use that same color in your lash line area also, then your eye look will look more beautiful and more bright. And now I'm going to use a Sugar Contour palette, and here I'm going to take this highlighter. Here I'm using my finger and going to use it in my center eyelid and blending it towards the inner corner of my eyes. See how beautiful and how bright it is looking right now. In the same way, I'm going to do the other side of my eyes also. And also using that same highlighter in my lower inner corner of my eyes, so that it look more fresh and more brighter. And now I'm going to use an eyelash curler to curl my lashes, so that my eye look should look more open and more bright. And here I'm going to use a Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner Black. So this is a very good eyeliner, and it will help you to do a wing eye. So here I am doing a small wing eye with this eyeliner.
Some of the old songs. For old time's sake.
And now I'm going to use a Nykaa Kajal pencil in the shade Moon Chill. So this is actually a white Kajal pencil. So here I'm using this pencil to make my eye look more open and more bright and beautiful. So whenever you will use this white Kajal in your waterline, automatically your eye will look more open and more beautiful. And now I'm going to use a Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to curl my lashes.
For old time's sake.
So now I'm going to wear my pack falsies. So I have already wear my falsies, and now you can see the change in my full eye look. So here I'm going to use a Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Dalshidi Lache. So here I'm going to take this bronze shade and going to contour my cheekbones. And also going to contour my nose area.
For old time's sake.
And in the center of my nose so that it will look more sharp. I'm going to contour my side head area. I'm going to contour my jawline area.
Been a long time.
So now I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Rose 30. So this is actually a pink blush. As you can see, my eyeshadow is a pink color. That's why I'm using a pink blush so that it looks all together compact. And this is a very good blush. If you're looking for a pink blush, then definitely you can have this one. It is affordable, at the same time it is a very high quality blush. It doesn't look chalky, it looks very natural and very beautiful. Here I'm using Nykaa Highlighter 24K Glam 01, and I'm using this champagne shade. I'm going to use it in my upper cheekbones area. So I'm taking very normal, very little amount, because this is a day look, so I don't want too much shimmer in my face. But as I have done my eye look very bright, so that's why I want a little bit highlighter so that it look all together. There is a natural beautiful shine in my face. That's why I'm using a very little amount, but all over in my cheekbones, in the center of my nose, in my upper lips, and also a little bit in my chin. And now I'm going to contour my lips under my lips so that my lips look more plump and more beautiful.
As time goes by.
So here I'm going to use a Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade Next Level Nude. This is such a beautiful color. It's a very good nude color, but it is mainly in peach and pink shade. So definitely if you're in love with the peach pink shade, then you can definitely have this one. I'm in love with this shade. So I'm going to mix another lipstick. This is from Nykaa and this is in the shade Game On. So I'm just topping it over this Nykaa lipstick, Next Level Nude. So it will look more pinkier because my eye look is pink. So this is my final look.
Hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, then please hit the like button and also let me know, did you like this type of looks? If you do, then definitely I'm going to create more this type of looks in future. So till then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.